Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you how to get big discount on a hosting or web hosting. If you want to save money on a web hosting, it is the right video for you. I will share a secret coupon code. You get up to 95% off with this code. I will also show you a step-by-step process how to claim this discount. First, you must click the link in the video description. This is a special discount link I got from a hosting team for my audience. Do not go to the hosting directly or you will miss the deal. After you click the link, you will see a page showing a big discount. You can scroll down and look at the Trustpilot reviews. Hostinger has a great rating, guys. 4.7 out of 5 from 60,000 reviews. Whole plan comes from 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can try it risk-free, guys. No risks. I have used Hostinger for my own blog for 4 years. My experience has a very good. Scroll down to see the Hostinger plans. You can click view all feature to compare them. My recommendation, guys, the premium and the business plans are the best value for money plans, guys. But guys, this coupon code are work from all plans. Click choose plan on the one you want. You will see different billing period: 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, 48 months. Guys, I have a secret tip for you. To save the most money, choose the 48-month 4-year plan. The discount is bigger here. You also get a guys free domain name for the first year. You can type it here or add it later. Now guys, you will get extra 20% discount on your billing. You guys no need to type any code. Just click on my link and you will see a 20% discount on your billing, guys. If guys you choose a 48-month plan, you get a guys 85% extra discount, a free domain, 3 extra month, guys. You also get 3 extra month plus guys 20% discount on your billing, guys. So I had recommended you 48-month time period because this gives you so much things. Click continue. If you are new, you need to create an account, fill your billing details, choose a payment method, Hostinger accept credit card, PayPal, Google Pay and more. Click submit payment. That's it. You will get an email in a few minutes with your Hostinger account detail. Good luck with your new website and enjoy our discount.